I hate to tell you all this, but our hitch works perfect. Wow, the big experiment. We've got the Versatile in the field. And she has the big sunflower on. Yes, it's working. My Ag Boy welds are holding. We've got about 20 acres in, and man, it's all good. Nothing wrong with that John Deere. Nothing. But this thing is just the wider footprint. It bogs less in the loose sand, and it don't hesitate to pull it. Of course, the other one wasn't either, but it's just better, and that's all I can say. It's just awesome. I couldn't ask for a better system. It just works smooth. Of course, this is totally different field conditions over here, but it works perfect, and I couldn't ask for a better setup. Knock on wood. I mean, it's all there, but so far, I mean, I went through a whole seat up, and everything's good. So I'll let y'all be the judge. Yeah, this here's the hardest land I've ever planted in my life. I don't do no-till. This is just disked once. But it won't amount to as much as the others because the land wasn't worked good enough. No-till just don't work in this country. Say hi, Jenny.
Hi, Jenny.
We got a date. I'll holler at you in a little while. If I need to go straight to see you or something. Or to come get my pickup. We had a big old grain leak yesterday. Me and Dad had to tape it up with duct tape. It's up on that elbow up there.
Uh-huh.
Huge. All right, dear.
Okay.
Oh, I might have forgot my water, but yeah, it was. No, it looks good. Did you put a liquid here? Look. She cut it yesterday on the auger. Did you put liquid stitches on there?
Not today.
Yeah, you might ought to. Looks good though. Healed up good. Maybe you'll have a war mark.
Like yours?
Yeah. All right.
Bye.
Thank you. Continue last job. Yes, parking brake is off. Plows are in the ground. Give it a little throttle. Center, auto steering gauge. Got a little more down pressure this morning. We got a little sprinkle of rain last night. I don't know if that's going to affect me or not. Shouldn't affect me out here in the sand, but you never know out here in the other. I guess we'll see. I think by 10 o'clock it'll all be burned off. We didn't get much more than a tenth, but we might have. It looks a little wetter than I thought out here. Maybe it'll be all right. Maybe it won't bake on me. This is some of the sandy ground. If you notice, my hitch is rock steady, perfect. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Straight as an arrow. Tractor handles it good. This is in the sandy of the sand over here. It don't bog down. The footprint's so much better, wider. It's very, very wet. It's not as loose, but it's very wet over here. You know, that mud before morning I talk about on several of my videos. One of them I believe is named that. You know, this is the ground I was discing on last week. And right after I got done disking it, I got home and we got an inch of rain over here. Well, 8/10. And then I come over here and I'm fixing to start planting on it, and we get another 8/10 on it. So we've had almost 2 inches over here. You know, almost. There's probably about 1.8 inches over here total since I've disked it. So it could be mud before morning. We're definitely going to have to spray this. Definitely. I mean, there's sunflowers and stuff out here, so. And there's a whole bunch of little weeds that probably will come up. We'll call them sideburn weeds that the crust don't bust. But it is ideal. It really is. I mean, it's wet, beautiful, and this setup on the tongue is perfect. Knock on wood. I mean, we hadn't had no hiccups yet, but it just unfolded beautifully. I've planted almost 100 acres now, and just flawless. GPS handles it so much better, and it's supposed to. I mean, it ain't, you know, it's an integrated system. So anyway, it's awesome, just awesome. 250 acres today. That is record, and the hitch did fine. We did tighten it once just to make sure it was tight. Everything was good. I mean, it did tighten a little. It is moving. It's moving out at the hinge, right at the bottom of the hitch where it goes up and down. It's moving just a little bit right there, but that's just normal. I mean, my old drill did it, and this, you know, that drill did, you know, this hitch come off of probably did it. So it, you know, that's normal. So I'm very pleased with it. We got a lot of good acres done today. We drilled out that whole seed tender full of seed. So, you know, we did good today. You know, I like about 310 acres. You know, if we get 200 tomorrow, you know, I'll be right at the house in like 100 acres the next day. I mean, wow, that's no big deal. So did very, very good, and we like 70 acres over here on that you know, embrace the suck field, the one I did. We like you know, just 70 acres over here, and we'll have it planted. Now it's going to have to be sprayed for sure, but we'll wait for it to get up and it get about, you know, 3 leaf stage or so, you know, 3 or 4 inches high. Then we'll come in here with some D and spray it up. We'll be good. Probably have to spray my house too anyway, so because of the white weeds, but you know, we're getting her done. So day 1 of planting series, really 3, but it's going to be the second video. So stay tuned for the next day. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate your tune in, and if you would, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that little gray bell. That way it'll notify you on my future videos. And you know, we love to bring these videos to you. It's our life here on the farm in eastern Mexico, and if there's anything that we can do a little different, any questions we can answer, just feel free to comment down there, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks.